Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is going to be coconut milk ghee rice recipe. You need 2 cups of basmati rice, 1 can of coconut milk, and you are going to take a pressure cooker or a regular cooking pot. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee, add 1 cinnamon stick, 5 cardamom, 2 star anise and 5 cloves. Saute them nicely and add 5 green chilies. Saute them nicely, and the next ingredient is going to be a big onion. It could be red or white, and chopped into pieces, and you're going to add the onions now, and you are going to saute the onions until it becomes translucent and until it becomes light brown. When it becomes light brown, you can smell the flavor. And after this, and the next ingredient is going to be 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add them and saute them nicely until all the water evaporates, and you can see that oil comes out of the paste, the ginger garlic paste. And the next ingredient we are going to add is mint leaves. Mint leaves gives the flavor, so when you add the mint leaves, make sure you saute them nicely with ginger garlic paste and with onions. And the next ingredient is going to be a can of coconut milk and water. And you are going to add 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water, because we are adding 1 can of coconut milk. If you would like, you can add 1.5 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. And you're not going to cook this for 15 minutes, but you're going to close the lid and cook it on a medium heat. Like slowly you're going to cook them so that you will get rice like a soft fluffy rice. And you are going to add salt as it is needed and cover it and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have a yummy coconut rice, coconut ghee rice, garnished with cashews and mint leaves. Hope you like my recipe. Subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a good day.